to make a chicken and dumplings with... You're good? Alright. So it's Mama's turn, okay? So today's video, guys, we are going to make a chicken and dumplings. But before that, I'm by myself now. So the last time I went to store, I forgot to buy something that I need to make my dumplings. So I have no choice is to go back to store and get it. Alright, Mango, Mama will go into store, okay? You stay here. Mama will be right back. We'll see you later. Bye-bye. I'm home. I'm back. Mango, she's a happy dog now. Alright, let's go into make the chicken broth. I cooked it last night, that's why it's still cold. So all you have to do is just heat it up and put a little bit of butter. Name of chicken. Alright guys, so ang gagawin natin ngayon is yung dumplings. So we're gonna make the dumplings. So we need 2 cups self-rising flour and 2 tablespoons melted butter and 1/4 cup vegetable oil and 3/4 cup milk. Yan. So yung gagawin natin is just mix all the ingredients. Guys, eating time! Ito na siya. Smells good. So, let's try this one. It's good. That's enough. Chicken for me, I mean for Mango. And dumplings for me. You like it, Mango girl?